Well, good morning, Yuriki. And I am making and posting these videos for myself as well as anyone else that might find this content useful. People that watch my videos every day, if you want to miss the intro section of the video, you can skip into roughly about 2 minutes. People that, well, if you want to miss the intro section and you want to miss the evaluation of my prediction that I made yesterday, you can skip more or less into about 5 minutes into the video. For everyone else watching for the first time, I basically started making these videos for myself, um, because I could not find the content that I was looking for on a Bitcoin YouTube prediction video on YouTube in 10 minutes or less. Yesterday again was a prime example where you and I used to do this as well, where you scroll through Facebook and the first thing that comes up is a video from someone that tells you Bitcoin is on the verge of a massive breakout. But if you look at the price this morning, the price is basically the same as what it was on that stage. Um, it did go up, correct. That was completely correct. But it went massively down again. So you are preaching about a massive breakout, but you don't preach or you don't prepare your viewers about the price that's going to go down as well. Scroll again, you get something like, this has never ever happened before. So I mean, it's clickbait. I used to do this many times, and I lost lots of money. Because you see these things, you listen to it, you go into a long, and the price goes the opposite direction, and no one prepares you for what actually might happen. Um, then, you think, oh, goodness, if it doesn't go into the direction that the video said, the exact same person will tell you, what the heck happened yesterday? Um, that's not what I want. Um, Plain and simple, I want a video that is going to tell me what is going to happen today. I want a prediction video that will tell me in what direction the price is likely to go, and I want to know what to do, what to short. What to do if it does not. And yesterday, and we'll get to that when we get into the evaluation of my video yesterday, will show you exactly, Yuriki, how important it is to prepare. But we'll get to that in the video now. So, I want to know where to long, where to short, at what price, and I want to make money on every 4 hour candle as far as that is possible. I want to make small bits of money here and there, um, because the picture that is being put out there about putting in one single trade and you're going to be a millionaire within one single trade, you're going to drive Ferraris, Lamborghinis, you're going to fly in private jets, is completely unrealistic content that is out there to watch. Now, Yuriki, with that said and done, intro section took a little bit longer this morning. Um, with the understanding that this is not financial advice, this is my own opinion, my own view. I cannot be held responsible for any of that content. Let's jump straight into what you said yesterday. Now, I think the most important things that you did say yesterday into your video, and Yuriki, you're more than welcome to go and check yourself on that, is at 7 minutes into the video you said that you don't think that there would be. Well, let's actually make this section bigger so that we can evaluate that a bit better. It was roughly about over here where I made this, where I drew this pink line over here. Time at that stage was roughly about 4:30 in the morning. I'm making these videos from the Eastern Cape of South Africa. This morning I'm a little bit earlier. It's just after 4 o'clock in the morning. Price at that stage when you made the video, Yuriki, was 37,400. At that stage, and the most important thing is at 7 minutes into the video, you said it's weekend, you don't expect a lot to happen. There might be some trading action at about what I think I said something like 6 or 8 hours, something like that. There might be some trading action in about 6 or 8 hours from now, but apart from that, it's normally weekend, not a lot happens. So let's have a look. Where did this massive action come in yesterday? It's not massive. It's a trading range of about 38. Let's call it 38,400 just to round it off, and 30. Well, it's about a $800 $800 trading range. When did this happen? How long after you made the video? 4, 8. I said 8 hours before it actually happened, you told yourself, Yuriki, that there might be some price action in about 8 hours, and that's exactly what happened. So that was 100% correct. Then, at about 8 minutes into yesterday's video, you said that you believe that the top would probably you can see. Well, I said there's two different trading ranges. I said this is an interesting one that is being formed right now, or interesting triangle that is being formed right now. I can see a top for this trading range of more or less something in the region of 38,200. So let's see what the top was. The top was 38,400. So that came up with about $240 more or less to spare, more than I expected. But if you listen to that advice, Yuriki, and you shorted 38,200, you would probably, oh, you would be in a profit right now, and you would be standing in a profit of roughly about $400, a trading range of $400 that you would be in profit on. Then 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Now, this is where preparation comes in, and this is where preparation comes in that is not explained on the channels that I have been looking for roughly 10 years or longer. I said, I believe, according to this triangle that we are drawing over here, I believe that the price is going to go down. My strategy for yesterday would be to enter at 37,700, which is more or less over there. I'm going to go into a short. But if it does, if the price does go up, and please go and check yourself on that, okay? If the price does go up, you will are not concerned, and you're not concerned. Why? Because you see that there are resistance on top. You see resistance at 37,800, which is over there where you will add to your short. You see your resistance at 37,900, which is over there where you'll add to your short. And you'll add to your short again at 38,250, because that's more or less where you can see the top is. Remember, every time that if you enter a short, the price goes up, and you add to that short, your entry price goes up, which gives you a better chance to go into a break even, or just to um, a break even or some small profit. And that is exactly what happened. So nowhere else do I see that get breached, but no, regardless of that. So long and the short, I went in at 737,700. I added. By the time that the price hit 38,200 and started coming down, exactly like I said, my entry price already went up by more than $400. So I was able to take a profit. Well, it actually was able to take a profit over there already at 37,900 more or less. But regardless of that, it came down a little bit more. It came down to touch the line again, exactly the same line that I drew, 37,550. So even though my entry, even if I did nothing, even if I did not even add anything, I said the entry at I was short 37,700, and I believe it's going to go down, and it did. After massive go up and down, it came down to 37,550. So I would have been able to just make a small profit even if I did not add. Now you read the long and the short is you have now made 52 videos in total. 36 of them were correct, 8 of them are neutral, 8 was wrong. It gives me roughly about an 84.61% winning ratio. What do I expect for today? I have to start ending this up. My trading range is basically still the same. I believe that the price is still going to go down. If we do go up, I would short 37,950. I would short 38,177. That's more or less that I can see the top. If it does go up higher to 38,600, I'll short that as well. I believe that it's still going to go down. That's what I can see for now. For now, I believe that this section over here, 37,700 might be the resistance area. That's where I'm going to enter my first short. I believe this candle is going to break. And I would expect the trading range to be for the next day or so to be between 37,750 at the top to be about roughly 3,700 at the bottom. I expect it to basically, for the rest of Saturday and Sunday, basically to jump in between this section. That's more or less what I can see. Here, the long and the short is always trust the triangles that you've drawn, trust yourself, trust the lines, and trade the lines. Have a wonderful day, Yuriki.